My name is Shreya, and I am the Patient Education Leader and a Research Specialist here at HealthSpan. Thank you for joining me today as I delve into some current research on aging and longevity. One of the questions we find ourselves asking in the field of longevity medicine is, why do we age? Is aging a random process that cannot be controlled? Or is aging a programmed process that we can manipulate, control, and delay? To begin to understand the concept of aging, we have to start at the cellular level and look at what happens when our cells are damaged. We are constantly incurring cell damage, whether it be from radiation from the sun or the oxidative stress we endure from converting food into energy. Our cells are constantly exposed to stressors that cause damage. The key to our survival, then, is that when damage occurs, our body does something about it. Damaged cells have three fates: apoptosis, senescence, and tumorigenesis. Let's briefly go into each of these three possible fates. The first possible fate for a damaged cell is apoptosis. Now, you can think of this as the ideal fate. When a cell takes damage, it activates its internal self-destruct button, and the sequence of events that follow rids the body of the damaged cell. The second possible fate is senescence. Now, some cells, despite experiencing damage, do not receive the biochemical signals that trigger apoptosis. So what do? Well, there's a second backup built into our cells. Think of it like a backup generator. Not as effective as apoptosis, but still trying to limit the damage. These senescent cells enter a cellular protection program where they halt their replication. They continue to exist, but they are no longer dividing and creating new cells. For that reason, you may hear senescent cells be called zombie cells. They're alive, but not quite. Now, the third possible fate of a damaged cell is tumorigenesis. The cells that face this fate have evaded both apoptosis, the programmed cell death, and they have evaded senescence. The main mechanism and the backup mechanism have both failed. So now these damaged cells begin to replicate unchecked, and we get the development of tumors. At this point, you have a foundational understanding of the three fates that damaged cells take. When thinking about longevity and aging, our focus is going to be specifically on senescent cells, which play a major role in the aging process. Check out our next episode to learn about how senescent cells become hyperactive and contribute to the aging process. See you next time.